Hi mga sis! So for today, we are going to make creamy garlic shrimps using very simple ingredients. So of course, what we need is shrimps. By the way, this was given to me by Smart Basket PH. They sent this, I think, 3 days or 4 days ago. So thank you so much, Smart Basket. And sobrang laki ng shrimps nila. Don't worry, I will put the link ng Facebook page and Instagram nila so you can check them out. And if you order from them, they deliver for free. So, ayan, share ko lang. And then, we also need all-purpose cream. Kahit anong all-purpose cream na gusto ninyo. Garlic, and then butter. Kung wala kayong butter, it's okay. You can use vegetable oil or kung anong oil meron kayo. And then, and of course, the basic na pangtimpla natin, we need salt, ground pepper. And also, this is optional, but I would like to add paprika on my creamy garlic shrimp because I like it spicy. Pero depende na sa inyo yun. Pero these are the basic ingredients for this creamy garlic shrimps that we are going to cook today. So let's start. Okay, so first is we wash the shrimps, we clean them up. So, I know yung very common if you go to restaurants, when they serve creamy garlic shrimp, kumbaga, linis na siya, wala siya yung skin niya. Pero I personally like cooking creamy garlic shrimp na ganito lang siya. May ulo kompleto. But if you opt to remove the head and the skin ng shrimps, so you can do so. So, just remove the head first. Sayang kasi nakikita niyo ba yung juice na yan? Ang sarap niyan sip-sipin pag kumakain ka ng shrimps talaga. Sarap niyan, promise. Sayang, ha? Pero ganito siya. Tatanggalin lang natin yung balat. So this is how you do it. But then again, for the rest of the shrimp, I'm not going to clean them like this. Ayan. So, for the rest, paalang yung ating kukunan.
It doesn't matter. It's just for manners. I'm just so loud. Stupid.